I chose the bus because my wallet was always empty. Gas prices made me cry every month. My bicycle was too lazy to ride, so I waited at the bus stop, 30 minutes early. My biggest worry was missing the bus. Finally, the old bus arrived with a loud noise. It looked tired, but ready for another trip. The driver thought he was in a car race. We jumped over holes in the road. I held my seat very tightly. Then he stopped suddenly, and we all fell forward. I looked around and understood my mistake. This was not my usual bus. My trip to work became a city tour instead. The bus was full of interesting people. An old woman talked to her vegetables. Students did homework that looked very difficult. A man next to me slept and snored loudly. Someone played bad music through their phone. We were all strangers sitting together. It was crazy, but also kind of nice. Getting lost was actually fun. I saw small cafes and interesting shops. This mistake taught me to be more relaxed. My busy schedule could wait for one day. Sometimes, wrong decisions bring happy surprises. I arrived home late but with a big smile. The bus was not so scary anymore. I discovered that every bus has its own character. Some move slowly like big friendly animals. Others drive fast like they are always late. The fast buses have their own special rules. You must hold something or you will fall. The drivers act like movie action heroes. They honk their horns all the time. Every trip feels like a small, exciting adventure. The decorations inside the buses are very funny. One bus had small Buddha statues everywhere. Another bus had a cross near the driver's seat. Maybe the driver wanted protection from all sides. Some buses have cute toys on the dashboard. Others have family photos on the windows. It feels like visiting someone's moving home. Sometimes, the bus experience is not very pleasant. During rush hour, it becomes too crowded. You hear other people's phone conversations. Different smells mix together in the air. Some smells are from food. Some are mysteries. You learn to breathe slowly and think happy thoughts. This is all part of the real bus life. But these problems create good stories later. I remember when it rained and water came inside, or when the bus stopped working and we all waited. Once I forgot my bag and a kind person helped me. These small problems bring people together. The bus becomes more than just transportation. It becomes a place where people connect. The bus taught me to be more patient. Traffic jams became my thinking time. I learned to stand without falling in a moving bus. My legs became stronger from all the standing. I found muscles I didn't know I had. The bus is like a free gym on wheels. You don't need exercise when you take the bus. I also learned to watch people carefully. Finding an empty seat became my special skill. I can see when someone will leave their seat. I developed my special bus sense for good seats. The window seat is the best prize. The seat near the door is for brave people. Every choice has different results. I see small acts of kindness every day. Students give their seats to older people. Once a woman shared her food with a child. People help carry heavy bags for others. Smiles move between strangers. These moments make me believe in people's goodness. The bus becomes a moving community. Now I really enjoy my bus trips. I made friends with other regular passengers. We share stories and talk about the weather. The bus driver knows where I get off. This routine became my favorite daily activity. Who knew saving money could be so fun? The bus showed me how to find happiness in simple things. Every bus ride is like a new story. Once I saw a man propose to his girlfriend on the bus. He knelt down in the small aisle. Another time, a woman sang beautiful songs behind me. I've seen people make new friends on the bus. Business people talk about important deals. The bus is like a theater with live shows. You never know what will happen next. Some bus moments are not so nice. One rainy day, the window wipers stopped working. The driver had to guess where to go. Another hot day, the air conditioning broke. We all felt like soup in a can. Once, a chicken ran away from a bag. It took many stops to catch the chicken. These funny moments become good stories later. The bus has its own small economy. People share food, stories, and advice. Grandmothers teach me how to cook. Students help me with difficult problems. Someone lent me an umbrella when it rained. These small actions create connections between people. We are all temporary travel partners sharing what we have. I learned to love these imperfect trips. The bus might be slow and unreliable, but it gives me time to watch and think. I see street sellers preparing their stalls. Children walk to school in clean uniforms. The city slowly wakes up outside my window. These small moments become precious memories I keep forever. Now I understand the bus taught me important life lessons. It showed me that everyone has their own story. Students worry about their school tests. Workers go to their jobs day and night. Mothers return home to their families. We share the same road for a short time. Our goals are different, but we are all human. I learned patience when traffic moved very slowly. I saw kindness in small actions from strangers. Standing in a full bus taught me balance. Watching people became my favorite hobby. The bus gave me stories I could never imagine. It showed me parts of the city I never saw. My way of seeing the world grew bigger. Now I think of the bus as my moving school. It teaches about people through daily interactions, physics through sudden stops and sharp turns. Sharing things teaches about community. Watching behavior teaches about human nature. Every ride is like a free class. I learn something new every single day. Yes, I ride the bus to save money, but I continue because it makes my life richer. The bus taught me patience, observation, and kindness. It showed me how to smile in difficult situations. Most importantly, it taught me that every journey has value. Even the slow journeys have their own beauty. This is a lesson worth learning every day.